Frustrated by the Lua Scripting Engine DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. As we get into the manual process for Lua Scripting Engine, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Lua Scripting Engine, the core execution engine for the Lua scripting language. It is used by hundreds of games, like World of Warcraft, to handle UI logic and modding. If this DLL is not found, the game's high-level interface and scripted events will fail to trigger, rendering the title non-interactive or causing a crash at startup. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Since Lua Scripting Engine DLL is an embedded part of the Lua Project architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Lua Scripting Engine file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Installing an unverified version of Lua Scripting Engine DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Lua Scripting Engine. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Lua Scripting Engine workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.